Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are eating at a brand new place and I'm very excited because so many of you have commented down below and said, Kim, you need to go to Claws. So let me just tell ya, I went to Claws today. I'm very, very excited. I went to pick up the food. By the way, if you are planning on ordering takeout when you go to Claws and you're a first-time customer, you actually have to show up and give them your credit or debit card before they start cooking your food. But then after that, they'll just like cook it and then you can come and just pick it up easily, you know? I think they did that because a lot of people probably ordered and never showed up and they had a lot of leftover food.
That's messed up.
I know, right? Carlos is here. He's eating sausages and cucumbers.
Rice.
Rice and cucumbers. Rice and sausages. My mind is just all over the place today. Today still is laundry day. Okay, let's get started. I got 2 pounds of king crab legs. Apparently they're really good. 2 pounds of crawfish. I think a pound of shrimp. And they're all in the cannonball seasoning and then mild spicy.
The spice that they use is really good.
You like it?
Yeah, it's got a really nice kick.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, I picked this up literally 30 minutes ago and it's still boiling hot.
It's spicier than the sausages that I usually try.
Let me try a sausage again. Oh.
It's good, right?
That seasoning is bomb.
Oh.
Someone commented the other day and was like, it's not a mukbang unless Carlos chokes on something.
Oh, fuck.
Do you want some water, love?
Sure. Please.
It's right here.
Thank you. Oh, it's because I stood up and that spice went down the wrong pipe hole. Oh, I like this little twisty thing. I'll leave it open for you.
Thank you. This place is good.
We gotta name our bottles.
Oh, I know.
What's this one named?
I don't know.
Betty the Blue Bottle. Letty the Blue. Letty, but
You're so silly.
call her Betty.
Betty.
Whitney's the white one and she's getting washed right now.
That sounded kinky. Oh, by the way, this is the coldest water bottle. Link down below for you guys. Check it out. If you guys drink water like I do. I'm trying to spread this out so you guys can see everything. Let's go into a crawfish. Oh, it's kind of flimsy because I think it's a little overcooked. Yep, my shirt's gonna get dirty. Oh my god. Are you kidding? Oh gosh, that's so good. Oh, I got mild, but you can feel the heat a little. Ooh, you guys, crawfish is overcooked though. But the seasoning is so good, I literally want to suck off the shell. Just be careful with this with the spice level, because I can see mild being very spicy for some people. I see why a lot of people recommended this place to me. By the way, I'm just trying every crawfish place like one day at a time. If you guys hear that sound, it's my neighbor upstairs. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And they were super nice here too. When I picked up everything, when I dip it in the sauce. Look at how much garlic is in there. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Oh my. I don't know if I've said this before in another seafood boil, but I think this place is my favorite place. I should have gotten more shrimp. Oh my gosh. You guys should definitely go to Claws. Oh, all of this was $117. Also, you can ask for the shrimp already peeled if you want to, if you're not a peeler like I am. But sometimes I don't suggest people getting the shrimp already peeled because then they tend to overcook it because they put all the seafood in one bag. And if the shrimp doesn't have a shell on it, sometimes it gets cooked way too much. And then you're gonna get a soggy shrimp. You guys, I never do this. You know how like I like never dip my seafood in the sauce again? But this sauce is so bomb. Shut up, it is so good. Like, oh my god. Woo! I'm so glad you guys never get tired of seafood boils because I just want to try every single seafood boil in the world. Trying to be careful here. I don't want the sauce to like fall off the table. What was I saying? I totally forgot what I was gonna say. Maybe I'll remember later. Okay, so crawfish is definitely overcooked because it's like falling apart here. I don't care, man. The sauce is so good. So good. Okay, king crab legs. Kind of wish that seafood boil places would cut it open for you. These are the spike ones. The last time I had this, I cut my finger. So. Yeah, that hurts. Out of this world. Okay, honestly, a huge thank you to my subscribers who recommended Claws. Amazing place. And I went inside to pick up the food, like I said, and the place looked really clean. Like, really clean. Like, there was nothing on the floor. So if that matters to you, now you know. The spice level is really nice. Like I said, I got mild. So I'm going to repeat myself again because I feel like some people didn't listen the first time and I'm going to get some comments. So the seasoning that I got is Cannonball and the spicy level is mild. But mild's got a kick to it. So if you cannot handle spice whatsoever, just don't get spice. Just tell them that you cannot handle spice and they'll make it a little bit more plain. Oh, there's no meat in there. But I like the kick. I like when it has like a nice little tingle. Ooh. I would definitely go back to this place. Ooh, dip it in that sauce. You guys know I'm not much of a dipper, but it's so good. This is not good because I'm gonna want to go here all the time now. I'm so happy right now. I wish you guys could come and taste this. This is so freaking bomb. So far, we've been to how many seafood boil places? I'll list them down below and I'll link them. And I will put them in order of how much I like them. Like from 1 to however many I have. Oh, the king crab is cooked so nicely. Mmm. That's good. Mmm. Oh. Look at all that goodness. Okay. A lot of people like tell me to suck the head, but because I peel it this way, there's nothing left in here. So I take the body of the crawfish and I suck on that. They have like these soft areas here. All the juices are in there. So once you suck, like don't breathe because all the spices are literally gonna kill you. So good. Oh, it's like taking a shot. And sometimes there's meat in the claws. Oh, the claw is juicy. I don't really care for the claw meat, but there's a lot of juice in there. Oh my gosh. This just might be the best seafood boil I've ever had. Okay, next time we're ordering more stuff. And usually I don't care for the shrimp, but their shrimp is really big. And it looks like their shrimp, they work out. Like, they're really tight. Nice and tight. Always gotta suck the shrimp head. Sometimes I eat this part. Nice and crunchy. Get all that garlic on top of there, girl. Oh my god, I want to move closer to this place. I wish I had more cucumber. I'm so mad right now. I can't believe this place isn't more popular. I think this seasoning is way better than kicking crab and boiling crab that I go to. That spice level is nice. It's burning my mouth a little bit, but it's not burning me too much where I want to die. Sometimes you want to take the sauce and mix it in with the rice a little. Oh my god, kill me now. This is so bomb. That's big. If you tasted this right now, you would understand why I love seafood. It doesn't taste like the ocean. It just tastes like heaven. Personally, for me, I prefer seafood that's already like marinated in a bag like this. I don't really like dipping too much. When they nail the seasoning of the sauce, everything else is just perfect. I cannot beat it. King crab is nice and sweet. Out of this world. You guys know we never leave meat behind in this mukbang or in any of my mukbangs. Ooh. Amazing. All that garlic. I feel like you can always tell when someone's like a seafood lover, because I watch a lot of seafood mukbangs, especially at night when I shouldn't be, but whenever people like get disgusted over the lobster head or don't eat it or throw it away or like say that it's gross and disgusting, it breaks my heart because the head has so much good stuff in there. And I'm like, dude, you just like spent $300 on a lobster and all you ate was the tail and the claws. I'm like, send me the head, I'll eat it for you. Ooh. I don't think I really get disgusted over anything when I eat. Dang it, I wish the crawfish was better. I feel like every single one of them is overcooked and I have no meat. See, it's just falling apart. That sucks, man. Oh, I barely can get any meat. It's just all breaking, you guys. Yeah, completely overcooked. So that's the only downfall about this place, I guess. But I really think that's like a mistake. We'll eat it again, and if it's overcooked the second time, then that's a problem. You really can't breathe when you're sucking on head. I just remembered the other day, I still need to do the seafood boil live, like live stream. And we need to get an ASMR video up. Oh, at least the shrimp isn't overcooked. Overcooked shrimp is the worst. That's good. Oh, and I forgot to mention, these crawfish are live crawfish. They're not frozen. They have an option for you to choose live or frozen. Obviously, live is going to be more expensive. So that's why I'm kind of disappointed with the crawfish, because I haven't had live in forever. So it sucks that they're overcooked. I think I literally have told you guys 10 times that it's overcooked. I deeply apologize. It's just the disappointment. This is so bomb. Literally, the tails are falling apart. Do you guys see a sausage? There it is. Mmm. It's good. I'm trying to peel it like gently. Oh. Mmm. So juicy. Oh, look at this cute little one. So this morning we woke up and Mr. Cooper, our brown dog, peed all over our bed. First time this ever happened, I believe. He doesn't really have accidents. He's potty trained, but sometimes, just sometimes, you know, dogs will be dogs. They slip. It's okay. Totally understandable. But I posted it on Instagram, and a lot of you have gone through the same thing with your dogs. And people were like, oh my gosh, like, excuse me, my dog peed on the bed too. You have to get a mattress cover. You guys, I am such a clean freak in a way. Like, I'm into like cleaning. Like, I watch cleaning videos on YouTube. Like, that's how much I love that stuff. Cleaning, organizing, buying a bunch of shit that I don't need from Home Goods. That's me. That's totally me. I'm like, how come I did not know that mattress covers exist? You can buy a cover, a waterproof protected cover that covers your mattress. Oh my gosh, and I'm just so mad because the mattress that we have, I'm not mad at Cooper, I'm mad at myself. The mattress we have is a Lowell mattress, which is like pretty pricey. It's like a memory foam mattress, and now there's pee stains on it. So if only I knew earlier, I could have protected the mattress. I cannot believe I didn't know that. Well, now I know for when we move and we get another bed. I think that's one of my guilty pleasures, is watching cleaning videos on YouTube. And if you've never watched them, you guys have to check it out. They are so motivational. without having to even talk. So good. Meat, 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 where are you? Mmm. Hang on, guys, I'm trying to get this meat out. Mmm. That's amazing. Mm. I love the sound of cutting into king crab. It's so freaking satisfying. Like, and since I'm the one cutting the king crab, it feels so good. It's like, I don't know, some ASMR shit that I really like. Yes. That's good. Excuse me, spices. Sorry, excuse me. The king crab here is really good. I'm so excited for this weekend. Carlos and I are doing like what do people call it these days? A staycation? Where you stay in your area, but you go to like a nice resort and you stay there for the night or a few nights or whatever. So, we're doing a staycation at our favorite place in the whole entire world. If you guys have ever been to Pelican Hill in Newport Beach, we've worked with them before. They hosted us a few times for like promo and like a sponsorship. Became really good friends. I actually met the media team and the PR team 2 years ago because I wanted to shoot my birthday pictures there, and that's how, you know, we started our friendship. So now every once in a while they host us and we get to like stay there and have a good time. But this weekend will be our first time staying in their bungalows, which is really cool. They have like these little like bungalows and it's so adorable. Anyways, Carlos is gonna do a hotel tour on his channel, and then we're gonna film a room service mukbang. I'm so excited because the hotel has been rated, has been on Forbes like 5-star list or something of all the resorts in the country like 7 years in a row. So I'm expecting like their room service to be amazing. I've had some of their food because we always go to their pool, which I believe they have the biggest circle pool in the United States. But I've never tried room service. So if you guys are excited, make sure you watch. It's gonna be up, let's see, maybe Monday or Tuesday? Come on, give me one good crawfish. So sad. Sorry about that. I can't get over how good this place is, to be honest. I have really high expectations for seafood boil places just because I've had so many. And I've been to so many seafood boil places that, yeah. But this place is, wow. I would probably choose this place over anything else. Do you guys know what you do with this? Leftovers. Oh my gosh, save it. Save the sauce. This sauce right here with like all the garlic and stuff. Oh my gosh. Make some fried rice. I'm telling you, I promise you right now, do not throw this away if you do takeout. Now, obviously at the restaurant, I think you have to throw it away, or maybe, I don't know. I'm extra, so I would go to the extent of asking them for like a box so I can take the sauce home. But do not throw this away, okay? You can reuse it, make some fried rice. It is so bomb. Like, I promise you, it will be the best fried rice you've ever had. And then go to like Target and buy some sausages and put them in there with, with a side of cucumber. Oh my gosh, crawfish, can you please give me a good one? I'm gonna eat all the crawfish, but I'm gonna save this to make my fried rice. Thank you so much for joining me tonight for dinner, you guys. First impressions of this place, so good. I loved it. I will list Claus's address down below. Definitely check them out. Today is Friday, and I went during dinner time, and they weren't that busy at all, which makes me sad because this place is so good. They should be definitely more busy on the weekends. I loved it. Definitely recommend it. The only downfall of this place was, yes, the crawfish was very, very, very overcooked to the point where you couldn't peel the tail because the meat was falling apart. So that was like the only downfall. Shrimp was amazing. King crab legs were amazing. I look forward to coming back to this place. One of the things I also really like is their menu is way bigger than any of the other seafood boil places. And on the weekends, I believe they open at 11 or 11:30 in the morning, which is so good because the other places open at 3 o'clock. So make that money, Claw. But yeah, their menu was awesome. They had a lot of variety. So you obviously can go with somebody who doesn't love this whole like seafood boil idea. Anyways, love you guys so much. Thank you so much for joining me. Like again, another chill video. I haven't touched my DSLR in forever, you guys, but we'll bring it back because I'm gonna do some ASMR on this channel. If you guys missed the announcement in my Flaming Hot Cheetos chicken video, I ended up deleting my ASMR channel. I deeply apologize to everybody who like took the time to subscribe there and was like waiting for a video. I deleted it because I just really thought it over and I just didn't think that I was able to produce quality content if I was gonna have 3 channels, and like trying to like organize and kind of balance my life would have been a little bit too much. So what I'm gonna do is do some ASMR eating videos on this channel, on my mukbang channel, but still mix it with mukbangs, mix it with outings, do a variety of videos so you guys have more variety. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Subscribe if you haven't already, join the family, like this video, comment down below. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, loves.